Today I'm sharing the easiest way to make a delicious rum cake with a shortcut. It's perfect for busy schedules and holiday desserts. Trust me, it's rich, buttery, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare our bundt pan. I've used my homemade cake pan release, but oil and flour work well too. Now for the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 box of your favorite yellow cake mix, a box of vanilla instant pudding, milk, dark rum, of course, the star of the show, oil, and eggs. I love this recipe because there is no creaming of butter or sugar. It's literally a dump and mix situation. So grab your electric hand mixer and beat it all together on medium speed for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and luscious. Pour the batter into your prepared bundt pan and give it a couple of taps on the counter to release any air bubbles. We are going to bake this at 325 for about 35 to 40 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on it so we don't overbake it. With about 10 minutes left on the clock, it's glaze time. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt a stick of unsalted butter, stir in water and granulated sugar, and keep stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Now carefully add in the dark rum. It'll bubble up, that's perfectly normal. And reheat it for another 30 seconds. Set the glaze aside and you're good to go. When the cake comes out of the oven, we're going to let it soak up all that buttery, rum-flavored goodness. Start by poking holes all over the bottom of your cake while it's still in the pan. Use a chopstick or a skewer, whatever works. Pour about 1/3 of that glaze over the cake and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Now carefully invert the cake onto your serving plate. Gently poke more holes all over the top and the sides. Use a pastry brush to gently apply the rest of the glaze. This is where the baking with love comes in, because this step takes a little patience, but trust me, it is worth it. The cake will absorb all that flavor, and it's what makes it so moist and irresistible. And there you have it, a rich, buttery, ultra-moist rum cake made easy. Perfect for any holiday table or just because. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. You'll find the full recipe linked in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.